773, I'm into the call, please. Okay.
Getting off at 384. Speeds, traffic conditions, please. Normal Archer Road traffic coming up to the light. Gonna turn westbound. Yeah, there's no Justin. I'm coming up town on Archer when you know I said it sticks out. I'm not sure the unit in front of me yet. Justin, I'm at Oak Park. I'll put sticks here. Alright, going the wrong way on the interstate. On the southbound off ramp.
From northbound on southbound side?
That's correct. Hey, turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Bravo Mike, red shirt, beard. Westbound Archer Road, westbound Archer Road. Did you fail? Negative. Turn on. Wrong way, Archer Road. Wrong way, Archer Road traffic. 100 block. Reserve at Canal Block. Reserve at Canal Block. Back in the right lane of travel. Good acceleration point. Right behind you. Anybody have any ideas on fitting? Can we fit a two-wheel drive or a two-wheel rear vehicle? What time is it again? We're coming out of Canal Block. I'm sorry. Acceleration point. Not hard to do. Pretty long to go. Pretty slow. It's a short box truck. 46 hours. Yeah. If it becomes a daily, I'll hit stop the vehicle fitted. Definitely dangerous. I'm thinking getting this vehicle off the road. Corey, where are you at now? R393, R393. 75 catch, I get 6 out in front of Madison Coast. What are you talking about? I'll get an update, please. Where are you eastbound? Or Madison Burger King eastbound.
When I'll call from ASO eastbound. 10,000 block eastbound speeds are about 60 miles an hour.
So ASO unit 2300 Archer.
Northbound into the new Butler Plaza. Northbound 37 Boulevard.
Okay, you really locked him in. That's the perfect opportunity in that plaza.
Hey, pulling into the Best Buy. Alright, he's running through the Best Buy Plaza.
You bring up my vehicle also.
Alright, we're back on Archer Road. I am now the lead vehicle. Oh, signal 4 into a ASO K9, still eastbound, place P. Hey, you good?
You can get around the island. How much second this red car?
Hit that truck. Hit that truck.
Trying to get to it. Speed 60 mile an hour.
Do you have any lag at Gainesville units? I hit a ride.
Northbound 34th Street. Northbound 34th Street.
Alright, 1388, I'm calling it. Northbound through West Meadows Boulevard on 34th Street.
Trying to get up to a pit.
Signal 4, gaining wrong lane of traffic. Piccadilly, wrong lane of travel, past Piccadilly. Continuing on. Alright, we're still continuing northbound, passing the Metro Diner.
Here's the city to help us, guys. We need to stop this now.
Stand by. Okay, so third corner. Attempted pit. We are going through the Metro Diner Plaza. Everybody on 34, keep off. Everybody hold the traffic for a second. Keep calling. We're through the parking lot. We're about to come out at 34th Street. Attempted pit again. Coming back out on the 34th Street. Going back southbound on 34th. I need to block up West Meadows Boulevard.
They ain't wrong. I ain't blaming the police. They just protecting the people.
Uniform.
I ain't even mad at y'all, cause y'all did y'all job.
20 minutes.